Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use quick replies on Instagram direct messages. Quick replies is a very useful feature that helps you to avoid having to type the same response millions of times to different people and be more efficient in replying to questions. Follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Go to your Instagram account and click on the menu button at the top right corner of your screen. Choose the Settings section, tap Business, and press Quick Replies. In order to create your quick reply, click the plus sign or New Quick Reply. In the appeared window, create a keyboard shortcut and write your message. Keep in mind that shortcuts cannot contain any spaces. Once you create your quick reply, hit Save. Now, if you want to add your created quick reply into the message, go to your message inbox, open Conversation, and start typing the shortcut. When the blue quick reply icon will show up in the message box, click on it, and the text message you saved previously as your quick reply will automatically appear. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use quick replies on Instagram direct messages. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.